This boat is headed from Jeju Island to Udo Island, and something really cool about this is that we sit on these heated floors and we put our shoes to the side, which is really awesome. And I get incredibly seasick and just motion sick in general, so sitting down on the ground does feel a lot more grounding for a boat trip, and I was very appreciative of that. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, and we are here at Udo Island. First things first, these little car buggy things, that's how we are gonna travel around Udo Island. It's definitely like the thing to do, but I will say you need an international driver's license to be able to use one. If you are not from Korea, make sure to get that before you come here. Otherwise you might end up in a little bit of trouble, which kind of experienced that, but hey, we ended up with one of them anyway, driving around Udo Island. Hello everyone! We are inside of this little, I don't know what to call this, scooter. And we are on Udo Island, which is just off of Jeju. Yup. So yeah, come explore with us. This is also just a very, very bumpy ride. It's okay because there's not many cars around and we're all in these small buggy things, but damn. If I have to be honest, I still don't understand. They had some really cool sculptures by the sea. It's enough to be broken and be crushed by your hand. Though it's hard to be near you, you're all that I want. To be taken by your gravity, to be held by you is enough for me. And when I was looking up Udo Island, I saw that there were a lot of different places to go eat, but we had a limited amount of time. So we started off with this kind of bakery cafe area. Everything looked so good though, oh my goodness. My hair is a mess, but we're heading upstairs in this cafe. Wow. I was very happy with our choices here today. Now off we go to explore some more. There's so much greenery, which is just really nice, and a lot of walking trails and animals. Here's one of the walking trails that we went up as well. It started off not that steep and then progressively got more and more steep. I was like, damn, okay. But I guess that's also just the terrain of the island. The weather was pretty decent. It wasn't like really hot and it wasn't too cold. It was very windy though. There's just like a random photo booth in the middle of Udo. Like not in the middle of Udo, on a random coast in Udo where we can see like the caves and there's a walking trail and there's a photo booth. Sure.
Rainbow Bridge Road.
Yeah.
Have some kind of snow crossing.
This is like the weirdest way to film, but I'm trying to shield this microphone from the wind, but maybe you can't even see me either. But we are basically on the northernmost point of Udo at the moment, so we are like literally at the top, at the highest point that we can go, which is pretty cool, and it didn't take us very long to get here at all. Ah! We thought we were the only people going this way. Normal fields? I don't know. No, it's not, and they're just yellow. Oh geez, hello. Okay, so we've made our way back to around about where we began, and we're gonna try something peanut flavored, since that's what this island is known for. So this is like a peanut latte. Let's see. That's not bad. It's pretty good. And then we had the peanut ice cream, which I've very clearly already eaten. Pretty good. Well, that was our trip to Udo in these very tiny cars. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed, and I do have some other videos of Jeju and Seoul as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also I have no idea why this is a statue on this island, but